Now that you've seen what those one-piece geometric puzzles look like, these are really great alternatives for adding some interest to matching different puzzles with geometric shapes and introducing different geometric shapes. So these are basic flashcards. And there is an additional control of error here with the fact that the outline of the image is going to match the correct piece of the puzzle. And these are nice also because they're individual pieces. You can mix and match them. There's a whole set of the basic geometric shapes that we would introduce in the classroom. And you can pick the specific ones that you're working on it with your students, or you can have a whole set out there depending on what you feel like they're capable of. You can also add Velcro to these pieces if you have children who are really engaged in the fact that the pieces will stick to the puzzle. I highly encourage you to add little slips of Velcro so that they can put the pieces on there correctly. But this obviously does not give them as much control of error as a traditional knobbed puzzle would give because there's not an inset. This is not the outside and the inset like you would see in a typical puzzle. And really, they need to be able to identify that an outline is how it matches the physical shape. But again, that color for these particular pieces does very much help identify that concept. Similar activity, somewhat of an extension to this material. I have a continuation of a puzzle line here. So if you can see, they are all circles. This one is going to be pretty simple. You're going to start on the left side and show the child how the circle fits around its outline. And then in the next one, you're going to turn the circle and that it fits in the next slot. And if you turn the circle again, it's going to fit in the next slot. And you turn and it will fit in the next slot. It's not as obvious with a circle because it obviously is the same no matter which direction you turn it. But it is the simplest one to do, and so I would always start with the circle. Moving on to an ellipse. So again, we'll start on the left side here with an upright position of an ellipse. And then we're going to turn it, and it's still the same shape and it fits. We're going to turn it again, and it fits that one too. And we'll turn a final time, and it fits the last one as well. So it's hopefully helping the child understand that no matter what direction a shape is in, it's still the same shape. All of these are ellipses, even though it is in a different position each time. And finally, we'll demonstrate this with a triangle. So we'll start the triangle in its traditional position as well. And then we're going to rotate it. And it fits. We'll rotate it. And it fits. And we'll rotate it. And it fits. So again, we can see no matter what direction the triangle is facing, it is always still a triangle.